Out now, like we just made it.
So good.
Stewed chicken and jollof rice, all in one pot.
I'm like drooling, man. It's mad. I can't even speak properly. I'm drooling. Who would have thought, man? Stewed chicken and jollof rice. Caribbean and Africans.
Listen.
No more fighting, guys.
No more fighting.
Come together.
Come together.
Taste the flavour.
So guys, Africans, don't at us, you know.
Yeah,
listen,
man.
we've done our research. We've tried hard at this. Like, obviously my partner's gone in. I've asked her mum. I've asked my friends who are Ghanaian. You got some Nigerian
boys.
Your brother's moved to Ghana.
Yeah, man.
The food's very similar as well, but obviously ours is better.
No.
Peace and love, guys. You're gonna love this recipe.
Absolutely love it.
It's amazing. We just had it just now, yeah.
Oh my.
Literally just finished it. It's so nice.
So good. It's a mad thing.
It's mad. I feel like putting on a kente now. It's on Super Bowl, bro.
Trust me.
I'm like, mad.
It's mad. Literally.
Challenge.
Huh? Jollof rice, better rice and peas?
Nah, we wouldn't go that far. I wouldn't go that far. Still. It's amazing.
Yeah, it is.
Guys, like I said, we didn't just wake up and just make jollof rice. We asked family, we asked friends, we asked our close African people. I kind of use a combination of Nigerian and Ghanaian. So let us know what you think, guys. Don't at us, don't hate. We're trying. I don't want to see no one cussing in the comments.
You know what? African people that cook jollof rice, let us know what we can improve about this one.
Yeah.
If you're feeling it, if you've done a good job. You know, we're trying, we're trying. If you're not African or Ghanaian or African or Caribbean, you've got to try. It's so easy to make, easy ingredients, so accessible, not long to make, and literally the flavours are so worth it.
1,000 likes in this video.
Yeah, man.
Comment below what fusions you want to see us do next.
Yeah, man.
Who knows, man? We can do like a
fusion book.
Fusion love.
Yeah, man.
We're gonna go to Sweet Shop to get Supermom. Peace.